Well, good morning, everyone. David Cook coming at you, and we are doing a quick wallpaper estimate. We went and measured this house. It's been 4 months, and they've been in and out of town, so it was just a quick bathroom, 12 by 9, but it was really goofy. It has a big archway here, a big archway there, and a huge entrance here for closets. So they sent me an email last night that this is the wallpaper they were looking for. So we're gonna go on that website. So we have grass cloth wallpaper. Page 10 doesn't mean anything. Pattern, we already have it. So we know it's 36 inches wide, 24 feet, random match, unpasted. So from that, I'm gonna go back to where I had my dimensions here. So the wall is 12 by 9. So we're gonna get, 3 feet, 3 yards up, 3 divided by 9. So it's 12 wide, 12 feet wide. So divide by 3, I'm gonna need 4 strips. This wall is 9 foot wide, divide by 3, I need 3 strips. This one's 9, divide by 3, I need 3 strips. So the roll itself is 24 feet, and we have a 9-foot wall. So 2 9-foot sections is 18 feet. So I'm only gonna get 2 strips per roll of this. So that means I need a roll and a half here, a roll and a half here. This one's exactly for 4, and if there's any extra, we don't want to chance it, so we're going to order 1 more roll. So I told them, based off that information off the website, that they're going to need 5 double rolls, and I specify, I just don't say double rolls because it can be conceiving depending on the website. So I told them 5 24-foot rolls. That way I know I'm getting this. And the other thing to consider is I also put in there uncut rolls, because if they send rolls that are, best way to describe it is the rolls come off the presses and they just keep rolling, so they'll get to a certain spot, cut off, and then they add more to it sometimes. So you want to make sure you have a continuous roll, so the whole roll is actually 24 feet. It's not going to be 2 pieces, 2 12-foot pieces, because in this case, it's not a big deal, but if you have a wall that's good to 8 pieces, then it's a big deal. So there's a quick how-to on how we're figuring how many pieces of wallpaper and how many rolls we're gonna need based off customer information that they provided to us. If you have other questions about wallpaper installation, how to estimate, give us a call at D'Franco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.